Hello children, now this is the same chapter and the last video of my mother's game. So now I'll be starting from here, and in the last video what we saw that how Sneha has started getting interested playing hockey and she has left playing basketball because she has found hockey interesting game. So what happens? The feeling of euphoria stayed with Nilu, and when Aji opened the door for her that afternoon, she could not help saying, "I played hockey with a friend today." So now, after we saw that how Nilu tried to convince Sneha, उसने स्नेहा को convince करा and she made her feel that how hockey is an interesting game. वो उसको एहसास कराती है स्नेहा को कि ये जो हॉकी है इट इज़ बेटर गेम और इट इज़ एन इंटरेस्टिंग गेम. So when Sneha is ready to play with her, so she is so happy. She has got extreme happiness that when she comes back home, and on reaching home, she starts saying to her Aji that today I have got a friend to play with me. वो अपनी आजी से अपनी नानी से बताती है कि आज मुझे फाइनली एक फ्रेंड मिल गया जो मेरे साथ हॉकी खेला उसने और वो मेरे साथ पार्टनर बन गया. Aji said, the skirt needs to be washed immediately, and so while Nilu's thoughts were full of playing hockey with Sneha in the next class, Aji was already heating water to soak the dirty skirt. One side Aji is looking at her skirt, at her dirty skirt, and she is asking Nilu that your dress is so dirty, it needs to be washed quickly. But Nilu is lost, in hockey only. She is still thinking about Sneha and hockey. That when I have next class, I will be playing hockey with her. But Aji क्या करती? Aji was already heating water to soak the dirty skirt. And Aji क्या करती? She starts heating the water to soak the dirty skirt. वो dirty skirt को भिगोने के लिए पानी गर्म करना शुरू कर देती है. And इधर Sneha is telling everything about hockey. Nilu and Sneha had collected hockey sticks from the games room and were now hitting the ball around. Now the next day comes and Nilu and Sneha, in their games period, they go to the store room and from there they collect the hockey sticks and go to the field and start hitting the balls. वो स्टिक्स हॉकी स्टिक लेती हैं अगले दिन गेम पीरियड्स में और वो बॉल को हिट करना शुरू कर देती हैं. With just two of them playing, there did not seem to be any point in following rules. But Nilu shared them with Sneha. That is a foul, she told Sneha when she accidentally used the curved part of her stick. So now they were the only two girls playing hockey in the field all alone, and nobody was there apart from them. उनके अलावा वहाँ पर कोई नहीं था जो हॉकी खेल रहा था. But one thing was going on which Nilu noticed. वो नीलू नोटिस करती है that both of them are playing game without following rule. वो रूल को बिना फॉलो किए ही खेले जा रही थी. But suddenly what happens? Accidentally, Sneha hits the ball from the wrong side, from the curved part of the stick. जो हॉकी स्टिक होती है उसकी कर्व यानी मुड़े हुए भाग की तरफ से हिट करती है बॉल को. देन नीलू क्विकली रिमेंबर्स व्हाट शर्मा मैम सेड टू हर. उन्होंने कहा था कि हॉकी के फ्लैट साइड से हिट करना है, कर्व साइड से हिट नहीं करना है. सो नाउ नीलू शेयर्स दिस रूल विद Sneha that if you hit the ball from the curved part of the stick, it will be a foul. वो तुम्हारा फाउल हो जाएगा. अब स्नेहा कहती really, said Sneha, and was careful to use the flat part of the stick after that. So now Neha, as now she has got to know about one rule, so she has started being careful while playing hockey, and she is using the flat part of the stick carefully. That day, two more girls joined them, and Sharma ma'am smiled when Nilu said, "Just 28 more players, ma'am ma'am, and we will have two teams. It's amazing. It's amazing." How much fun they had running around the field, swinging their hockey sticks and yelling jubilantly when they scored a goal. So now, uh, from the next day, more two girls have joined स्नेहा एंड नीलू फॉर प्लेइंग हॉकी. उन्होंने दो और गर्ल्स ने ज्वाइन कर लिया है. एंड नाउ व्हाट नीलू सेज टू शर्मा मैम कम्स देयर एंड शर्मा मैम नो कम्स देयर एंड शी स्माइल्स एट नीलू. वो नीलू की तरफ स्माइल करती है. एंड नीलू क्या कहते हैं? नीलू सेज दैट जस्ट 28 मोर प्लेयर्स. नीलू कहती है कि नाउ मैम वी नीड मोर 28 प्लेयर्स एंड देन वी विल हैव टू टीम्स. हमारे पास दो टीम्स हो जाएंगी. देन वी कैन प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट, वी कैन प्ले इट वेरी वेल. देन वो कहती है इट विल बी हैविंग अ डिफरेंट फन. So now what happens? Now the girls who are collected there for playing hockey, they are enjoying playing hockey jubilantly, means in a way that shows great happiness. So they are so happy while playing हॉकी एंड दे आर स्कोरिंग अ गोल. वो गोल भी कर रही हैं, चिल्लाकर खेल भी रही हैं. और इट सीम्स दैट दे आर नो स्विंगिंग इन द एयर. वो इतना ज़्यादा खेल रही हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है उनको देखकर दैट दे आर स्विंगिंग. वो हवा में झूल कर के या फिर वो हवा में खेल रही हैं. दे आर सो फास्ट वाइल प्लेइंग, दे आर सो एक्साइटेड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पेज कम्स. Nilu was grinning when she told Aji, "Our team actually scored 75 goals." So now when Nilu goes back home, she says Aji that today our team actually scored 75 goals. बताती है कि आज उसकी टीम ने 75 goals करे. And instead of taking about her dirty skirt or skinned knees or setting off on one of her obscure errands, Aji actually said, "Really? You must be hungry then," and bustled away to cook up something. So today Aji did not ask Nilu that your dress is dirty, your knees are dirty, and even she said, "Really?" It means somewhere now Aji has also started showing और टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट इन नीलूज टॉक. जो नीलू बताते उसमें इंटरेस्ट ले रही हैं और उनसे कहती हैं, "रियली यू डिड इट टुडे, योर टीम हैज़ डन इट." वो शी ऑल्सो नो शोज़ हर हैप्पीनेस टू नीलू कि हाँ वो भी बहुत खुश है नीलू की जीत से, नीलू की टीम की गोल से. बट आफ्टर सेइंग दिस लाइन शी सेज दैट तुम भूखी होगी, यू मस्ट बी हंग्री. सो शी क्विकली गोज़ टू द किचन. Bustled away means in a hurry. She goes to the kitchen to prepare food for Nilu. Of course, not all the girls gave up their basketball game. But by the end of the week, there were 15 girls playing hockey, and Sharma ma'am gave the tips on playing the game. Now Nilu says that not all the girls. It means not all the girls are not ready to play hockey. Some of them are not there who are playing basketball, but now most of the girls have joined playing hockey. So Sharma ma'am now she has started giving all the teams some tips that how can they play hockey properly. So अब शर्मा मैम ने लोगों को टिप्स देना शुरू कर दिया because now teams are divided. When Rajni Masi came home that evening on a weekend visit, she found Nilu quietly content. Now some days ago, when some time passes, her Masi comes, her Rajni Masi comes to meet Neelu in the evening when it was weekend. जब weekend था, her Rajni Masi comes and she sees the changes in Neelu's nature. She is not quite changed, she is quite satisfied. And now Neelu has started telling her Masi also that she has started playing hockey. She told her aunt with a sense of a purpose and fulfillment radiated from her. So now she is so content, वो बहुत पूरी तरीके से satisfied है, and she is telling her aunt about the happiness or the excitement of hockey, that she has started playing hockey. Now Aji radiated means spread outwards. It means she is she is spreading her happiness all around. Why? Because she has learned hockey properly. Aji has been scrubbing all my dirty skirts. Neelu giggled and added impishly, I'm going to play in hockey match soon. Now meanwhile she is talking to her Masi and her Aji ji. Aji क्या कर रही है? Aji is cleaning her dress. उनकी ड्रेस को स्क्रब कर रही, रगड़ के साफ कर रही हैं. और seeing her Aji cleaning her dress, नीलू स्माइल्स, गिगल करती है, मुंह बंद करके हंसने को गिगलिंग कहते हैं. सो शी स्माइल्स एंड शी स्पीक्स इन अ नॉटी मैनर. इम्पिशली मीन्स बहुत ही नॉटी, बहुत शरारती वे में कहती है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले हॉकी मैच सून. अब वो अपनी नानी आजी से कह रही है कि यू आर क्लीनिंग माई ड्रेस एंड आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले हॉकी राइट नाउ. सो अब अब आजी हैज़ गॉट शॉक. वो कहती है वॉट लुक्ड हॉरिफाइड इन योर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म. वो कहती हैं दैट विल यू गो इन योर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म बिकॉज आई एम स्टिल क्लीनिंग योर ड्रेस एंड इट इज़ नॉट ड्राई एट. शी डिमांडेड, muttering at the horrors she would be expected to see. So she is speaking this sentence to Neelu that in and she is horrified. बहुत ज़्यादा डर गई कि अभी इसको ड्रेस पहनने की क्या ज़रूरत है, अभी तो शी इज़ जस्ट गोइंग लाइक दैट. वो इसको ड्रेस की डिमांड क्यों कर रही है इस टाइम. बट रजनी मासी could see that she did not really mean any of it, that she was already looking forward to the dirty school uniform. But जो मासी थी, she is getting Neelu's mindset. She was just playing prank. वो सिर्फ शैतानी कर रही थी. She was all focused on just playing hockey. She was not bothered about her dirty school uniform. उसको अपनी स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म की नहीं पड़ी थी, उसको सिर्फ अपने गेम पर फोकस करना था. सो ये रजनी मासी देखकर बहुत ही खुश होती हैं. रजनी मासी लेफ्ट थिंकिंग ग्रेटफुली ऑफ द डिफरेंस दैट हॉकी हैड मेड in the lives of the two people who mattered so very much to her. So now seeing her excitement towards hockey and she's seeing her happiness, what Masi is saying, Masi has left thinking this, that finally two lives of two people who are very much important to रजनी मासी, जो रजनी मासी के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इट मीन्स नीलू एंड उसकी आजी. वो बहुत ही खुश हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आ गया है. दे हैव गॉन थ्रू अ वेरी टफ टाइम. दे हैव लॉस्ट देयर लव्ड वन इन रीसेंट पास्ट, बट फाइनली दे हैव ओवरकम देयर पेन. वो अपने जो दर्द थी, तकलीफ से, उससे अब बाहर आ गए हैं. दे हैव चेंज्ड देयर लाइव्स इन शॉर्ट पीरियड. So thinking this, रजनी मासी left that place. वहाँ से वो चली जाती हैं. So children, somewhat you must have understood that how we can remove our pain, how we can overcome our problem if we get involved in our interesting activity or in those activities which we find we find interesting, जिसमें हम इंटरेस्टिंग हमें लगती हैं या फिर उन एक्टिविटीज़ में अगर हम इन्वॉल्व कर लेते हैं अपने आप को, देन हम काफ़ी अपना जो स्ट्रेस लेवल है या फिर जो प्रॉब्लम है उससे हम ओवरकम, उससे हम पार आ सकते हैं. So this is what this chapter is teaching us. So children, along with this chapter we must have understood some tips of playing hockey. As we understood, we saw some tips or some uh, lessons from that last chapter, chess one, right? So children, again I would say take care of yourself, stay home. Until then, bye bye, see you soon.